Hi, it's Danny here. Another stretch video. This is a mat work version, the clock circle. Maybe you're at work, but if you can push your chair out the way and lie down for a moment, feel free to join in. It starts with a short lever. Your elbow is bent, your ribs move, and you're beginning to open up the shoulder. So we've got a shoulder movement, we've got some shoulder girdle at the blade and collarbone. But ultimately, you're looking to touch the floor in front. Here's my left hand. Wrapping around the back. Here's where you may leave the ground. Opening right out. There's 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9. Fingernail, 12. Maybe a gap about here. If you can, as you get more flexible in your shoulder socket and more open in your pec major and other muscles around the shoulder, this will become easier. I think we should balance this out. So shorter lever to start with. Nice shoulder socket exercise, but as part of this pec series, I thought I'd bring this one in here. The more supple you become with your shoulder blade, with your chest muscles, the easier it will be to straighten your arm, touch, and work all the way around. Here we are, 3 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Again, there may be a gap between 12 and 10, but do your best to keep touching. It's okay to cheat. You can drop your pelvis back a bit. We're not stacked here. This is not a rule. This is a whole body movement, so do let the rest of your body turn somewhat. If you're turning all the way over, yeah, that is cheating a bit too much. But allow the ribs, the spine, the pelvis to move a bit to help you get a nice, comfortable stretch. Key bit about stretching, it feels natural, you're not over pulling. You could hold onto a wall and hold for 30, 60 seconds, but that tends to irritate the nerves and connective tissues and tendons, fascia. Let's do a moving stretch. Let's keep our stretches supple, flowing, and graceful. Okay, thanks for watching today's mini video.